to try these.
ASMR.
Mmm. Oh yeah.
Are you being honest, or did I pay you for this review?
I'm being very honest.
Okay.
And you also might be paying me for this.
Well, there goes my sponsorship.
Conspiracy.
You want to try? Yeah, try it with the tomato. Now taste a bit of the cannelloni.
Oh yeah.
See?
Tomato is a nice, like, refreshing flavor. With the
Yeah, I think you don't have to tell me.
The
Gordon Ramsay consults with me.
And guys, I love cannelloni, like the Italian and like this version. This is really nice.
Well, this is an Italian version. Even the Italians don't know about this, okay? Michelangelo himself told me. And a little more. And then I'm going to cut off the almost moldy part of the tomato. Oh, oops. That was a little ratchet. Okay, this is not Steven Spielberg produced. So that's going. I gotta inspect it. I have a chef's eye. Y'all wouldn't know about that. And I'm gonna just cut this up. And we're gonna have us some Miana, run and get the cornmeal, please. Just quickly fry / saute these tomatoes. And because I'm bothered with doing it the professional way, I'm just gonna throw the cornmeal in here. Y'all don't know about that. That's a lazy ASS way. And then you just take the tomato and pop it up in here. You're welcome for that tip. And you,
Thank you.
There you go. Y'all welcome. And the juice from the tomato should make the cornmeal stick. If it don't, then just don't post it on the internet. Don't tell nobody about it. And then no one will see your failures. That's all. Okay. Now, I'm going to, while that's sizzling and making noise that food's supposed to make when you think you're a chef, I'm going to, ouch. Can I get a little bit? Yeah, I can get a little bit more. Put that in there too. Thank you for your participation. Okay. And now I'm gonna, oh yeah. I think they right on that line between almost burnt but damn good. So that means, and that butter and that coconut butter, it really did it. So I'm gonna show y'all what it yields. Just make sure I don't burn myself. Ah! Ooh. Well, that was a fail. Burnt myself. Ooh. A little bit too hot. Got this cheap ass towel, so the heat went right through into my tendons and muscles. So I'll just fold this and try again. There we go. Okay. Yeah. See? Don't they look like egg rolls? Crunchy cannelloni. Can y'all see it? I hope so. Now I'm going to show y'all what I'm going to do because I'm kind of like a genius, you know. I didn't want to tell nobody. I'm kind of like a genius. So we're just going to recycle this spoon, flip this. Oh, see, I told y'all, it works. So we need to let the, you know, let it get basically dehydrated. You're trying to pull the moisture out. Don't laugh at me because this is professional. You need to pull the moisturizations and all the juices that's flowing. They need to get sucked out, just like, well, I ain't gonna make no jokes about that. Anyway, so yeah. So we gonna get this another, I say 5 minutes, but it's gonna be 2 because it's gonna almost burn and that's gonna trigger me to take it off the heat. Anyway, now I want y'all to look at this sauce. Maybe trying to burn myself, probably will. It's separating a little bit and it's making me nervous. But all you gotta do is, let me just taste it. Or if you don't want to taste it, find somebody you don't like so much and ask them to taste it. That way if some diarrhea happens, it won't happen to you. Okay. So, here, mamas.
I love how you're giving this to me.
Maybe the smetana was a little bad.
I think something's bad in there.
Did you taste it?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're going to scratch this. It's okay, y'all, because I have more. I'm going to do it without the smetana. It's okay. I'll just...
Or maybe it's the cocoa butter, because the cocoa butter tastes a little...
The cocoa butter is really hard for it to go bad. I know it's going to see no shade. It's the smetana. Okay. It's okay. S-H-I-T happens, guys.
Or just taste the smetana by itself to see if maybe...
It's okay. I like to keep it 100, so I just scratch it. And what I'm going to do is...
Or it might be the rice milk.
Well, it's only one way to find out. You have to taste everything. So, I don't think it's the smetana, but... I mean...
No?
It's not the smetana.
Okay, so... No.
Maybe them together, they don't mix together.
Yeah.
So what I'm going to do is, or maybe it's because I added heat. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to make this, I'm going to make a cold version of the sauce. Because the, excuse me, it's hot anyway.
Usually we have smetana cold too.
So, what I'm going to do is, I'm going to turn the, tomatoes off, and because this is a cast iron skillet, if I flip it now, the heat will cook the other side. But flip this. And don't worry, I'm not scratching the pan, I'm just flipping. So, yeah. Okay. Whatever. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a little bit of this, just a tiny bit. Put that down first. And I'm going to take some, Miana, can you run and give me the garlic, please? Take some of this smetana, because I tasted this. This is not, the smetana is fine. So, put that down. Okay. Then I'm going to take some of the cannelloni and put that. Sorry guys, my my Gucci is acting up again. Funny about touching food, I should touch other stuff and touch food. So okay. take this and just plate that like that. They all good, but you know what I mean. And put that like that. Then hand me that spoon, please. Thanks. That's this. Take some a tomato. I'll take the prettiest one so y'all won't see the mess. And I'll just put that like so. And voila! You have crunchy cocoa butter kurkuma cannelloni with smetana and kurkuma. Voila! You're welcome. It's free. And yeah, I'm going to take a picture. Ciao for now, y'all. Toodles. Bye.